Here we are. The zoom, the rainforest. Why you step out of the shot? It feels nice out here. Marnez didn't want to climb up on that ledge.
Where you go?
There's that lizard. It's still there.
No monkeys yet.
See that lizard? The zoom is pretty good on here.
You said it was bad yesterday.
What?
The zoom.
Who said?
You did.
The zoom is bad on my digital camera. That's lovely.
It looks like it's gonna rain too.
You like this rainforest?
I'm enjoying it.
You ready for the waterfalls?
Yeah. Waterfalls. Sounds pretty refreshing right now.
Waterfalls and then pastrami sandwich.
Ready to go?
Okay.